So this is a project that I was working on for quite some time, and today I just want to show you what it's all about. Yeah. So as of now, I've done most of the work, but I'm still far from finishing. Yeah. So this is level one. This is just like the site plan. Yeah, and then the 3D. So this is all that it entails, and even more. I've not yet finished doing all the work. Yeah. So like this a manhole. This is a sleeve. These are water sections of here, plumbing. Also another sleeve over here. This is a sewer line, plain like that, electricity, buildings. Yeah. So if I want to see like a walkthrough, yeah, maybe I want to see something specific like plumbing. For example, if I come here, this is just level one, and I open the walkthrough of this one. So if I click on this, then I come on this, it's going to show me the path. This is the path of the walkthrough that we're using. So let me click edit. So this is the path that we will use to see the plumbing sections. I just want to see the plumbing in walkway to walk through too. So initially it's just architectural like this. So if I start the walkthrough from frame 1 up to frame 600, so let me just show you a brief example on how it looks. So this is the way it looks. So I've activated the far clip. That's why you can see all the way. Just see a section, yeah. So this is just the wall, the main gate, the road. This is a bell mouth over here. We have plumbing sections which are underground, but you cannot see them as of now because I've not activated. These are the manholes there, like that one. And then we have water sections here, plumbing sections. The same for this side, yeah. So let me just show you. So escape, yes. Then I go back to my first frame. I change the display to plumbing. So I'll just see the plumbing section, the fittings. So let's now see the difference. So if I'm working on just water and I want to see which place water is passing and the changes that should be made, I can just activate the plumbing discipline on my commands. Then I can just work on anything that I want to do pertaining water. So this is very helpful. So this is the power of BIM, yeah, the building information modeling, where every single aspect is different. Like for example, over here you can see even fittings. Like we include even fittings in this information. The way the curves, it's not just drawing lines. It has also an effect of the 3D component of the z-axis, yeah. And then you can see the manholes over here. But as of now, manholes are part of the structural part, but I'm not interested in the structural. I'm just interested with the pipe fittings and the main pipes. Yeah, so that's the way it looks. Yeah, so the same can be done on the main one. So over here, right now I've activated plumbing, but you cannot really see it. You just see it as lines. So I can just come here and overwrite the visuals. I can go to pipes. So the pipes are here. So maybe accessories, all of them are fine. So okay. And then I'm just going to change this to want it to be fine. So just wait and see. So you see now that this is our pipe, this is our sewer line. Moving from here all the way down, manhole covers. You can even put concentric is it concentric colors, consistent colors. So this is the way they look. These things are underground, and mind you, I have drawn this from other files, so I've imported other files from here. So that's the way I can work easily, and I've not yet finished. So yeah, this is the power of BIM. So you can see this is a bigger one. This is 600, a culvert of 600. You can just see it's for sanitary over here, but others are for hydronic supply, like this one. So this is a French drain over here using the Hazel and Williams principle. So yeah, so this is what basically the work entails. Over here it's draining to a river. So let me just show you from here, imported. Let me just activate that and show you that here is a river. So that's the way you can use technology, I think. So all this is the power of BIM, building information modeling. So I have different elevations over here, different contours, the way the land is sloping. Yeah, and that's I think that's just a debrief. I cannot exhaust all of it. Yeah, thank you.